Welcome to That's Techno. Today we'll be doing how to make reverse video. In previous video, link in the description below, I had a reverse video. Today I will show you how to make reverse video from a simple video that you have captured from your mobile or camera. In previous video, the actual video was this, and this was reversed using an application. But wasting much time, let's go to Play Store or any of these stores and search for reverse video editor, magic video like given in this video, reverse movie PX. After downloading, open that video editor and then do as in the video. Select files and then start reversing, clicking, then it will be loaded up. After that, we will have a reversed video. After reversing is finished, then you can enjoy the reverse video. That's it. If you have any problem, write in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my video.